Hi guys, it's Richard from Stay Safe Workshops here, and I just wanted to welcome you to Ask Us Anything. Now it does sound like I'm promoting a new game show, which unfortunately I'm not, but I am promoting a fantastic way of us potentially helping you all. But before I explain to you what this video is all about, I just wanted to start off by saying how great it was to have the opportunity to recently visit your school and work with you all. I had a fantastic time and I really hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Which brings me on to the reason why we've made this video for you all. Now we quite often find that when we work with young people, teachers and parents, that it's sometimes not till after our sessions have finished and I've actually left that people go away and they start to think about the topics and subjects that we've covered, and questions start to pop up, whether that's through discussions in the classroom or conversations at home. And it's for that reason why we've made this video, because we want to give an extra opportunity to you all to, as I said at the start of this video, to ask us anything. And we're going to make this really simple for you by giving you these 3 easy options. Number 1, arrange for a teacher or adult at home to send us an email. Number 2, visit our website, click on our contact page, and from there you'll be able to send us a message directly. And number 3, probably the easiest of all, leave a question in the comments section below. However you choose to send us your questions, we will most certainly receive them. I will personally read through everything and try my hardest to give you back the best possible help and advice. So in the meantime, all you need to do to hear our response to your questions is quite simply subscribe to our YouTube channel and look out for future videos. So I just want to finish off by saying I hope you all have a fantastic, awesome year. I'm looking forward to hearing your questions, and more importantly, I'm really looking forward to hopefully helping you all. Take care, and I'll see you soon.